Hey guys, welcome back to day 8 of the AutoCAD Electrical Masterclass. In this lesson, we are shifting our focus from drawing shapes to laying down your references and that are essential for drawing clean and precise schematic layouts. Remember when you learned to draw or used conventional drawing in your first semester in engineering classes? You used to draw a small faint line across the drawing sheet using your drafter or your T-scale. Those faint lines were not the part of the actual drawing, but were used as the reference or say guiding bends. Similarly, in this AutoCAD also you have got those references. So there are points and construction line. Points are used to mark insertion spots and construction lines are used to set alignment guides. Similarly, we have got object tools to space those elements or any object with accuracy, as you used to do with your T-scale or drafter. This tool may not be flashy, but they are must have in your electrical CAD toolkit. So let's begin. First of all, let's start with placing a point. So points are supposed to be invisible by default, though they are not. They are supposed to be invisible. They are used to mark coordinates, symbol origin, and reference points. To set up a point or mark a point in AutoCAD, you simply have to type PO or POINT and press enter. Now you have to specify a point. So let's say I want to specify my point here. So you can see a small dot here. This basically is a point. To make your point more visible, you have got a tool called a point style in your utilities. You can go to your utilities here and go to point style. There are many selection which you can use, but I will be using this because it's most common and convenient for me. But you have got your options. Simply click OK. So you can see the previously used point has changed its style. Now I can type PO and press enter, and here you go, another point. Now in AutoCAD, if you type enter, you can use your previously used tool. Previously, I used the point tool. Now, when I type enter, I can again use the point tool without typing any command or selecting from the drawing layout. This is quite handy. So, let's say you want to specify a point on a specific grid. You can use snap on grid here and PO and press enter. Now, you can specify a point according to the grid as it is snapping on. Simply left click and your point tool is specified. So if you want more point, simply press enter as it was to previously use the tool, and you can specify a point like this. So this much for point. Now let's move on to construction line. Construction lines are basically infinite in length and used for guides and layout structure. To draw construction line, you have to type accept and press enter. Now you have to see a point like this, and when you move your mouse, infinite line will be drawn like this. You can draw as many as you want by moving your mouse and clicking left. This point are basically invisible, as you can see. Now to exit, you can simply type escape. So let me delete all this, it's quite messy. So you want horizontal construction line in your drawing for horizontal reference. You can draw horizontal construction line by typing Excel and press enter. Now in your command line, you can see various options like HOR that represents horizontal, BR for vertical, ANG for angle, and bisect and offset. So you can either select from here for horizontal HOR or you can type H. So I'll recommend you to type H. To be a pro, I suggest you to use command as much as possible than using through your mouse. Then when you type H, you can press enter. Now your horizontal line will be drawn when you specify through the point and left click like this. Again, another horizontal line when you click left, like this, like this, like this. Again, let's say you want a vertical horizontal line. Escape the horizontal construction line function. Type XL, press enter. Then you have to select vertical BR from the command section, or simply type B and press enter. Now your vertical line is ready to be drawn through a point. You can specify a point and simply left click, and your our vertical construction line is being drawn like this. And you can exit this by clicking escape. Now let me delete this by selecting our Ctrl A and delete. So when you used to draw in your sheet, you used to draw different construction line with different angle, most probably of 45 degree. That was used to draw isometric figures, or used to draw side view from your top view and front view. So to draw a construction line of 45 degree, we can simply type XL and press enter. Then go to A and J in command line, or simply type A and press enter. Now I have to select the angle. Let's say the angle will be 45 degree and press enter. Now our construction line of 45 degree is being drawn as you left click like this. So here you go. These are all construction line for 45 degree. Simply Ctrl A and delete all this. Now you can bisect the construction line by simply typing XL, press enter, and in the command line you can see bisect, or simply type B and press enter. Now I have to specify angle vertex point. Let this see my angle vertex point. Then left click on the line, and I can draw as many line as well as I need that will bisect or pass through a point like this. Ctrl A and delete. Now moving along, we can use offset. So offset lets you create a copy of an object at a fixed distance. This is helpful for stretching wires, layers, and boss bars. Say you have got a construction line, horizontal construction line, press XL and enter and specify point. For horizontal, I type H, enter. So I've got a horizontal construction line. Now I want a similar construction line at a specific distance just above it. Now let's escape and type OFF for offset and press enter. Now I can directly enter my distance, or I can manually select my distance from here. Let's say my distance will be 5 units, and when I can click here. So now I have to select an object to offset. This is my object to offset. Simply select it by left click, and when I move my mouse upward and press enter, a similar construction line will be drawn with 5 unit distance. Similarly, another construction line can be drawn with a 5 unit distance below it. Simply select on the object and move your mouse below, and here you go. A 5 unit construction line with 5 unit distance from the original construction line will be drawn like this. Your offset can be used in shapes also, and many other things, most probably shapes like circle and rectangle. I hope you try that at home. Now I have given you the assignment in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. Like, comment your question, and subscribe to keep us encouraged to drop study material like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.